Good morning, boys and girls. It's Monday morning. Well, actually, it's not Monday morning, it's Friday, but to you, it's Monday. And we are getting started with our day. We are going to be looking at a math lesson here, but before we do that, Mr. Mondo's kind of grumpy. So, let's see. Natalie, you need to be our barista here. Oh, yeah, here it goes. Ka-chunk. Uh-oh, add water. Oh, that's going to make for a really long teaching video right there. But, oh, everything's falling over. We got it, Natalie. And here we go. Water being added. Cha-ching. Oh, what is going on with this thing? All right, we'll be back to that in a little bit. But over here to our math lesson. Math lesson 95, new concept. We're just going to do 95, new concept. And the bell's ringing. So if you remember, we had 1/2 of 26. Okay, how do we do that problem? We did 1/2 of, then we get our work over here. 26 divided by, oh, it was the 2 because we're splitting it into 2. Okay, so 2 goes into 2. 1 time. 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract 0. Is 0 less than 2? Yes. Bring down my 6. Okay, now we're back up to divide. Remember, for those of you who forgot, does McDonald's sell cheese burgers? Did each step 1 time already. We just brought down. Now we're back up to divide. Does 2 go into 6? Yep. 3 times. Now we're multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Compare is 0. Less than 2. Yes, it is. Bring down. Nothing to bring down. We're done. 13. That makes 13 there. And 13 there. So 1/2 of 26, if we shade that in, equals 13. Okay, do the same thing with 1/3 of 18. We know 18 divided by 3 is 6, so that makes each of these 6. If I just want 1/3 of it, we have just 6. 1/4 of 20, same thing. So 1/4 of 20, we divide it into 4 pieces. Got 20 in the top. And what does that give us? A division problem. Okay, 4 into 20. Okay, I know that's 5. Okay, 20. Subtract 0. Okay, it's a simple division problem. 1/4 of 20. 5, 5, 5, 5 equals 5. That's just review. Now our new concept is 2-step problems about a fraction of a group. So here we go. Okay, 1/5 of 35. We're about to get into this. Then we're going to do that one. That's our new concept. This is a review, but we're going to use this. 1/5 of 35. Think you can figure out here, we're going to have our work problem. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So 1/5 equals 5. But now here's our 2-step, right? I need to do 2/5 of 35, if that's your problem in your book, okay? Well, I still, first, step 1, figure out 1/5, okay? So 1/5, I got 5 in all of these. Still, I got 5 in all of those. Okay. Now what is 2/5? Okay. I'm going to grab a different color marker here. 2/5 is 10. Okay, so because that's 2/5. Well, what if they wanted 3/5? Right? Well, if we just had 3/5 there, what's that? Well, it's 5, 5, 5, and every one of those again. So it's 15. Okay, and that's what you're going to see in your example problems when you guys go to read your example problems in the book. Going to be exactly the same way, only much, much neater because, you know, Mr. Mondale's chicken scratch is not always the neatest. Okay, and then the thinking skill there You guys can read that and you got the answer. What are the 2 steps needed to find the number of campers who wore green jackets? First, find the number in each group, then find the number of campers who wore green jackets. Okay, so that was 2/3. Okay, so 2/3. Okay, so this would be a problem like 2/3 of 30. It's not going to say that though. It's buried inside of a story problem. Okay, same thing with this one. The force of gravity on Mars is 2/5 the force of gravity on Earth. A rock brought back to Earth from Mars weighs 50 pounds. How much did the rock weigh? So you got 2/5 of 50. So they take, 50, and they split it into 5 pieces. They have 50 divided by 5. Okay, so if we were to do that one, 2/5 of 50, 2/5 of 50. Suddenly I have my same thing here, 50, and I have 50 divided by, well, first I got to figure out 1/5, by 5. So 1/5 of 50, I do this. 5 goes into 5 once, 5, 0, 0. Is 5 going to 0? Yes, it does. 0 times 0, 0, so 10. So 10, 10. Oh, right there. Okay, every one of these is 10. Okay, and so 2/5 is right there. That equals 20. So then we go back to the book. Oh man, this is like watching my kids take a video. Sorry guys. Okay, so 2/5 is 20. Okay, so 20 pounds would be the answer to that question. Thus, 20 pounds. Okay, so that's our new concept. Hope you enjoyed.